to Everything Mental Health with your hosts, Stephen Edwards and Maureen Edwards.
So just continuing on with our anger strategies. And are there any more that you would like to share, Stephen?
So what if you're not able to stop what you're doing? You're not able to walk away. There's no help to ask. What do you do? Of course, you're going to take your deep breaths. Afterwards, you're going to want to do a body scan, which means start at your toes and try and feel every part of your body, right? Lock in on each part of your body moving up. So you start at your toes. Are they in pain? Do they feel anything? No? Okay. Slowly move up. Now you're at your soles of your feet, your ankles, your knees, right? What you're looking for is what feels off, what is out of place, what is bothering you. Is anything throbbing or aching? Do you feel a pit in your stomach, right? You're just trying to figure out where this negative energy is stemming from. Where in your body is it? If you know where it is, it gives you a feeling of control almost. You know where the problem is stemming from. It gives you a little bit of insight, which can help you tackle the problem.
So you would start at the toes and go all the way up through each body part. So it might be the toes and then the whole foot area and then the ankles, the shins, and then the calves and then the knees, and just kind of keep working up through all the body parts.
All the way till you get to, your head. Maybe you have a headache, maybe that's aching, right? And then you're going to identify everything that's wrong. And what you're doing here is really important, because what you're doing is you're thinking. And the beauty about thinking is that it directly counteracts the anger. It's a lot harder to lose yourself when you are maintaining logic. So if you can maintain a sense of reason, you're going to prevent yourself from launching from that, 60% anger to 100, because you're using your prefrontal cortex. You're analyzing your body parts. This keeps you in a state of calm.
Right. I think I just wanted to add a side note, because what happens, especially in family systems or in couples, is that when someone is angry, they don't focus on themselves. They many times project or focus on the environment, what's wrong in the environment, or what's wrong with the other person that's causing me to have this reaction, right? And what you're saying is that you're taking charge of your own self. You're taking charge of your anger, your emotional state, and you're literally scanning that and working it on your own.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. And there's a couple other things that you could do that will probably help a little bit, and they may or may not be appropriate for your environment. But I think that just letting out some of that energy, that negative energy, in the form of a scream, can be very helpful. Maybe you're in your car. It's the perfect setting, right? You're just probably by yourself. Someone cut you off in traffic. Maybe your instinct is to, give them the finger, or you go into a crazy bout of road rage and start driving after them, right? Well, you could also just scream, and maybe you're at home and you have a pillow you can scream into it, right? These are just a way to let some of that frustration out. You get it done, and then you can take some deep breaths. Reset yourself.
I love that scream. There is something called scream therapy, where people can like stand in the forest or, by a lake or by an ocean, and they just scream and they get it out. And it discharges all of the emotion that's been pent up.
Yeah.
And there's some kind of a frequency or a vibratory thing that can happen when you use your vocal cords to express that sort of negative energy, or what we call negative energy. Right? I think it's very, very helpful.
Absolutely. And if one of the things that we recommend to some usually children or adolescents that are feeling anger is a punching bag or something that they can physically hit, because again, you're getting out this negative energy, right? It's inside of you. It needs to come out somehow. It can come out negatively or it can come out positively. And if you want to get it out positively, you can just walk into the other room and start beating up a punching bag. You tire yourself out. Maybe you scream, right? You can get all this energy out without impacting anybody whatsoever, right? And there's also stress tools you could use. Fidget spinners, stress balls, these things could be beneficial as well. Lots of different ways to solve anger.